Hello, welcome to the video, the Mindmap method. Mind mapping is a powerful creative tool that actually enables you to use the skills of both sides of your brain, whole brain learning in other words, the right and the left. It's a method for organising information that directly reflects the way your brain works, and this is the power behind it. It can be used in many situations where you might need to explain complicated subjects, you might need to gather ideas, structure some texts, for planning and organising your tasks. Very useful for learning and preparing for an examination, and for preparing presentations, which is where we come in, and actually much more. In this course, the Mindmap method will help you to structure the content and help you gather information for that all-important presentation. So we're going to have a much closer look at mind mapping. The purpose of this video is that you get to know the basic design of a mind map and then how to create a software-supported mind map. First, let us have a look at the design of a mind map. A mind map is basically a graphical diagram of ideas and their corresponding relationships. The design of a mind map starts in the middle of an empty piece of paper or an empty computer screen. There you insert the central topic or theme of your choice. This central topic needs to be formulated very carefully, precisely. You may also use a suitable image or picture. Mind maps are highly colourful and visual. Now we go about arranging the corresponding information. Higher ranking information, as shown in the arrow, is placed on a main branch. Supporting information, as shown in the lower arrow, is located on sub-branches. In doing this, you create a hierarchy of information. The information on the main topic represents the main generic sections or topics of your mind map. The sub-branches represent the different subsections of the main topics. And we will give you an example of this later. Take care you do not place long texts on the branches. Just focus on a key word or a short key expression. When producing a mind map, use colours and pictures. This refers to the creative approach of a human brain. In addition, the mind map becomes more readable and clearer. If necessary, you may of course break through the hierarchical structure of your mind maps in creating a crossover line, as demonstrated here. By this you can build up network-like structures if needed. Take care, however, that you do not lose the overview. It is more useful to restructure a mind map than to lose the clarity because of too many crossover lines. Use graphics and pictures too, and these will support the written information. Okay, let us summarise the important facts. A mind map is basically a labelled tree diagram. If necessary, the tree diagram is complemented with additional remarks. If you know the creative method of brainstorming, then you will recognise the differences between mind mapping and brainstorming. Brainstorming produces an unstructured amount of ideas. It's in the second step that these ideas are arranged and classified. And you probably use a flip chart for this. Mind mapping produces a clear structure from the very beginning. Of course, that there's also a link between the two methods. A mind map is suitable for structuring and documenting the results of brainstorming. You can sketch mind maps on paper, on a flip chart, or on the computer. For mind mapping on the computer, you need suitable software. Mind maps on the computer are maybe not so clearly arranged as they are on a large piece of paper. But electronic mind maps have a huge advantage over paper mind maps. In contrast to the paper types, changes in the structure can be carried out at any time. Mindmap branches and leaves can be shifted without problem, replicated, rearranged, summarised or removed. This makes computer-aided mind maps much more flexible and adaptable. So, now let us generate a simple mind map in a computer.